After watching this video, you will have a 4-step blueprint to build an aesthetic V-shaped body as fast as possible. But let's be honest, although you have already watched multiple videos on this topic, you still haven't reached your dream body. This is not going to be one of those videos. Before going to the video, make sure you like and subscribe. Starting with step 1, the divine ratio. Already the great Leonardo da Vinci wondered what the ideal male body would look like. The most aesthetic physique that 90% of women prefer focuses on broad shoulders, a big chest, and a wide back. But before I will show you how to sculpt this ideal physique with specific exercises in the last step, we first need to cover the second step, testosterone. Studies show that high testosterone levels increase muscle growth drastically by stimulating muscle protein synthesis. On top of that, increased testosterone production will lead to decreased fat mass, higher energy, and more strength. So it is essential for a masculine V-taper to increase testosterone. To increase testosterone, we have already posted a video, so please watch that after this video. Let's continue with step number 3, diet and supplementation. You have probably heard it over 100 times that diet is as important as training. But this is false because diet is actually even more important than training. If you train 5 times a week without the optimal diet, you will have less results than training 2 times a week with the optimal diet. The optimal diet for muscle growth contains eating 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. Just focus on foods like steak, chicken, fish, dairy, and eggs. Creatine. If your goal is to look as muscular as possible, yes, you can take creatine, but in my opinion, you don't need it. Fitness influencers have created the illusion that you need creatine to gain muscle, however. The last essential step, training. I am now going to show you the full step-by-step workout routine to get the ultimate aesthetic body. The body parts you will need to train are shoulders, lats, upper back, arms, chest, and forearms. You will do this by training shoulders with dumbbell lateral raises and overhead shoulder press, lats with wide grip pull-ups and lat pull-downs, chest with incline dumbbell press and incline barbell press. Stop making excuses and start becoming the best version of yourself. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe.